Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have a special friend or loved one celebrating their birthday and you want to create an awesome birthday story on Instagram, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a personalized and fun birthday story that will make them feel extra special. So let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app. Now, open it. Now tap onto the plus sign icon, which is at the top of the profile. Now you can choose a photo or video to feature in your birthday story. You can either take a new photo, record a video, or choose one from your camera roll. Now take a photo or video that you want to add. Next, we are going to make it official by adding a birthday text. For that, tap the A icon at the top. Now type the birthday message or any messages that you want to provide. Here you can change the font style of the message. Choose whatever you want to add. You can also change color and the text styles. After that, simply click on to done. Next, we are going to add a birthday sticker. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Now tap onto the GIF button. Now type birthday and simply search it. Here you can find different options. Now choose one. You can move it around, resize it and place it wherever you want. No birthday story is complete without some great music. To add a song, simply tap onto the music sticker. Search for the perfect birthday song like Happy Birthday or any fun song you know the birthday person loves. Now scroll down and tap onto the music that you want to add. Once you have picked your song, you can customize the lyrics display, move the music sticker around and adjust it to fit your story design. Once you are happy with your birthday story, hit the Your Story button at the bottom to post it. And that's how you create the perfect birthday story on Instagram. With these simple steps, you can show your loved ones just how much you care and make their birthday unforgettable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.